everyone, welcome back to Dr. Sabish Pradeep. And today I'm talking to Muneeb sir. He's a professional from Pakistani software and technology industry. We will discuss software development, AI, and career opportunity in the tech world. Okay,
Okay,
so
sure.
uh, Muneeb sir, can you just introduce yourself a little?
Okay, sure. So my name is Munib and I am from Pakistan. I have graduated in software engineering and now I'm working in software tech industry and I have 3 experience in this field. And nowadays I'm working on our communication skills, especially English speaking. And apart from that, I'm running our small YouTube channel. So that's all from my side.
Okay, so if I talk that how did you get started in software industry?
Okay, so can you introduce yourself?
Okay, if you don't know what I'm going to speak. So my name is Shubhita. I am 11 years old. I study in class 6 at Delhi Public School in
Okay.
India.
Yeah.
Delhi.
Um, sorry, it's a wonderful introduction, and you are just 11 old, so and you are a good command on the English, so I think you are doing very great thing.
Thank you for the compliment. So how did you get started in software industry?
Yes, I have started before 3 months, 3 years ago on this our career in this field, and in early years, I do work remotely, but nowadays I'm working on site. So that
Okay. So can you just speak a little louder because I think there's some background noise coming. If it's camera or something, so you can just speak louder because
okay. I will try. Sure.
okay. So what technologies are most popular in Pakistan right now?
Okay. So if you're talking about popular technology, so all the technologies are popular in software and the tech industry in Pakistan. But I'm working on ASP.NET Core, Web API, and MVC. So I have experience in this field, and I know about this field. But if we're talking about technologies in popular if in Pakistan, so all of the technologies are popular. Like if we're talking about front end development and Angular, React, and if we're talking about automation, like so, all of the technologies are doing equally in Pakistan.
Okay. So what programming languages do you use the most?
Most. It's depend on software niche, software house niche. Like most of the software only working on .NET development. So if they're working on .NET development, then definitely C Sharp and HTML and CSS, and apart from that, jQuery. These kind of languages are like used in .NET development. And if we talk about other front-end development like React, JavaScript, and then definitely use HTML, CSS.
Yes, hello.
It's totally depend on you. Like yes, yes, you are audible and visible. I'm also audible and visible.
Yeah, you are. There was some network issue in between. You can speak this.
Okay, so it's totally depend on you. Like, so what kind of technology software house working? If you're working on front end technology, then definitely React and Angular, and using languages is React, sorry, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If software house niche is working on automation projects, then definitely C++ and Flutter, these kind of technologies they work. So it's totally depend on you.
Okay, means it depends on what type of field you are working, like that.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, what is the biggest challenge for software developers today?
Biggest challenge. What kind of perspective? As problem solving or develop new software?
I'm saying that what is the biggest challenge that you face, like where today's software developers face?
Okay, so there is two kind of challenges. First of all, the software you build, is it reliable in market? Is it reliable on production level? So, and second one is the like during development you face problem solving. Sometimes you face the problem and you stuck in the problem at the long time, like 2 or 3 days. So these kind of problems are faced with software in facing in software development, but the main problem is like you can easily find the solution, they definitely take time 1 or 2 days, but they resolve. But the main problem is the software you develop, is it reliable in market level, they working on production level or not. So the main thing is this, like if a software is like you develop the software but is not working in production level or not reliable in market, then your all the efforts are not countable.
Okay. So I think for you the biggest problem is that if you are working hard in at any like project, so if you don't get any type of attention or not use like more usage of that software, so your work, your hard work is just like melted and just
Yes.
okay. So how is AI changing the tech industry as today?
Yes, AI play a vital role in especially in software tech industry. Nowadays, most of the developers uh, uh, like uh, did the all tasks from using AI. So in early like starting point of development, all the raw codes and logics developer itself write. But nowadays, just developer give the prompt to AI. AI they generate the code and developer copy and paste in the IDE and just run and check if anything not correct, they manually correct and the software will develop. But in early when development is started in the 2015 16, when ChatGPT not exist and AI not exist, then all the task developer do itself and it take a lot of time. But now has ChatGPT work faster and development is too much fast uh, in nowadays.
Yeah, it is. Everyone is, in fact, the thumbnails that basically that is made are also made by ChatGPT. Just you have to give it a screenshot and it will make a whole thumbnail for you for the YouTube channel. It's very easy
Yes,
for that.
ChatGPT help in every niche. No matter you are YouTuber in software field or some other field, they help all the people, all the field, they support all the fields.
Yeah, it helps a lot. ChatGPT is very important because sometimes I don't get my holiday homework. I in fact take help from ChatGPT only for holiday homework also. So it's very good. Like ChatGPT nowadays is I think more I think better than Google. I think very much better than Google.
Yeah, yeah. But it's like a little bit harmful for this generation because it's killing the thinking nature of mind. Because whenever you face any problem, you just explain the problem to ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives the solution. But this thing is not good for our minds. because our
Mm.
mind like not happy to think the deeper level. So whenever ChatGPT not covering due to internet or some other problem, so we are blank.
Yeah, because it reduces our critical thinking, our power of analyzation. It is reduced from always being attached to ChatGPT is also not good, and also not being attached from ChatGPT is also not good because we have to balance technology and our creative thinking both because it's very important for us.
Okay. So I have question. If you're done your side, I will ask you.
Yeah, you can ask.
Okay. So as you early mentioned, you are only just 11 year old. So but you are very fluent in this language. So can you explain this how you get this kind of fluency and how long you are working on this language?
And this fluency, I think it was there in my environment only, so I did not had any type of problem learning this language. Fluency is like coming from like consistent practice. If you speak regularly English, you will of course get fluent in it. Because I continuously started speaking when I was in fourth class. So I had my one classmate. So with her, I always used to like she was there. She lived in US for a time. So when she was like in India, so she was not so good in like Hindi. So I always had to converse with her mostly in English only. So it was quite like
Okay.
so speaking regularly in English, what an attention that I got so fluent in English. But like it was something building confidence. Confidence was there with me, but fluency wasn't. So that was built it while I was speaking regularly English from fourth onwards.
Okay. So are you studying in English medium school or just only your mother tongue?
I guess I'm studying in English medium school. Yes,
Okay. Okay.
English medium
So
CBSE.
I totally shocked about I think you are just only 11 years old because most of the your age child they just like eat some like uh, problem for the parents and they like play all the time and but you are doing very great thing in your just 11-year old you get this kind of fluency and also working on your communication skill and running your YouTube channel, so you are doing very great.
Thank you. So I wanted to ask you something.
Have
Yes, yes.
yes, sure, please.
Okay. So I was saying that before this conversation, like you are like you're something you are not hesitating in speaking English, right? You are comfortable in this language, right?
Yes, little bit comfortable with this language because I just started working on this language before 3 months ago. So if you're talking about my early days, I not fluent this kind. Like I'm no, I'm also speaking broken English sometimes, but nowadays I'm little bit fluent and comfortable with this language. But in early days, I connect with any YouTuber and I had a session with any other other YouTube fellow and so. But nowadays I'm little bit fluent and I'm feel little bit comfortable. So that's why the my most of the sessions is.
Okay. So do you have other questions so you can ask to me?
Okay, so sure. So what kind can you explain a little bit if you know your culture and
Yes, I can tell you.
your festivals if you have a like
Yeah, I think in
Yes.
Pakistan mostly they are Eid and like Eid ul Fitr like that. I don't really know so much, but this much I know. But it's like I'm saying like Indian
Okay.
culture, we have basically eight main festivals in India. We have our Holi, Diwali, we have in fact Eid is also our main festival, Christmas, Durga Puja, and I don't remember other I should remember. Uh, it was Onam. These types of festivals, right? We have festivals for all type of like we have all types of like we have dhan so we have all types of festivals celebrated in India. It's not like it's celebrated for every like quite a fast. It's not like even Muslims also celebrate, Hindus also celebrate. Everyone is celebrating their yeah, like our culture, but basically our main culture is basically Hindutva. That is basically you can say that we have our gods. Like you have your own gods. I don't know about them, but we have our own gods. Like we have, if I talk about my culture, we have been having many types of great warriors in our country too. Knowing about them when there was British rule in India. So I can explain because if I start about India, it's like endless infinity. Like if I talk about its culture is so dwelt because I can't explain it so because I'm also just 11 years living in India. I'm not been living from outside. But
Yeah.
living in India, still I have to discover more about this culture because I'm small. I don't know so much about this culture. But if I tell you about the gods, it's like we have our like we have so many gods in our like country also we have for Christians we have Jesus Christ and all for Muslims we have something for our culture if we talk we have goddess Durga we have Bhagwan Shivji we have Ganesh we have many types of god in India also if I start naming them they are like endless. So can you explain about your
Okay.
culture also because I don't know about your culture
Yeah.
and I've never talked to an Pakistani person like that. It's first
Okay.
time talking to
Okay.
Indian
Sure.
person. Pakistani.
Okay, sure. So in our culture, if you're talking about a religion, so I have the main two festival, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. So and apart from them, I have the like two small small events like nowadays I in our side had a Ashuras like Muharrams and sometime had other short uh, short festivals Shab-e Barat and like these things. And if we are talking about in Pakistan, so Pakistan are living in the all of the people are Muslim. Most of the 90 plus 90 plus percent people are Muslim in Pakistan, and they enjoy the like same festival and the same religion, and like in like Islamic festivals. I had a one festival I totally forgot the name when we like what are the patangs. I think Raki. Sorry, Raki in your side. In our side, Basant. Sorry, Basant. So had a festival like Basant. When Basant, all the people like fly the patangs and enjoy the festival. So in Pakistan, this kind of had a festival.
Okay. So I have some rapid fire questions. So after doing this rapid fire, we can just end up our session. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Fine. So if I talk about what you have to ask like very fast, fine? I'm going to give you two
Yes, sure.
options. Fine? So Android or iPhone?
Sorry, your voice is broken. Can you repeat?
Yes, let me. Android or iPhone?
iPhone,
Python or JavaScript?
JavaScript,
AI or cybersecurity?
AI.
Remote work or office work?
Most of the people prefer to remote work, but I prefer office work.
Morning order or night order?
Morning.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Windows or Linux? Linux.
Mm, Linux.
Startup or big company?
Big company.
Coding or management?
Uh, I have no idea about management because I am doing nowadays development coding, so I go with coding.
One tech trend you are excited about?
One thing you are excited about,
Yes.
so English, because nowadays I'm working on this language and try to learn this language so that it will little bit excitement.
Okay. So, if more, what do you AI or robotics?
Robotics.
Mm, Google or Microsoft?
Google or Microsoft.
Mobile apps or websites?
Websites.
Laptop or desktop?
Laptop.
Dark mode or light mode?
Light mode.
YouTube or books for learning?
Books for learning.
Teamwork or solo work?
Sorry, solo work and other one,
I'm saying teamwork or solo work.
teamwork.
Android Studio or VS Code.
VS Code.
Bug fixing or new features.
Ah, bug fixing is a very confusing and very tough task. So I go with new feature.
Okay. Online meetings or face-to-face meetings.
Face to face meeting.
ChatGPT or search engines.
ChatGPT give the fast and reliable solution, but I go with search engine because whenever you do some research related any new task and any bug, you can definitely use your mind, like search the solution. But if you like same thing do the with ChatGPT, just give the prompt and they give the smart and faster reply with it. So you not think in your way. So I go with search engine.
Okay. Startup or multinational company.
Definitely I go with multinational company.
Early bird or night owl.
Olive.
Okay. Coding competition or hackathon.
Coding competition.
Okay. So most used programming language.
Most used programming language, like I have a knowledge about my field, .NET. So in .NET, using the C sharp language. But nowadays, in of talking about overall field, so Python, I have no like specific and correct answer. Uh, Sorry
Okay.
about that.
Dream tech company to work for. Any, you can just name it one word.
Okay, what are you asking? Like,
I'm
can
saying
you
that
repeat?
dream tech company
Little bit?
that you want to work for. You have to answer in word first.
Okay, dream tech companies. So, like, I have a dream to join systems in Pakistan. Like, System Limited is a bigger company. So, I had a dream to join.
Okay. So I think I'm done with my rapid fire. So do you want to ask something so you can ask because I'm done with my questions?
Oh no, I have no question. So we wrap up our session.
Okay, so very nice conversation with you, sir. And you are as
Okay.
confident you should be, as very confident and fluent. And thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. So bye. Have
Okay.
a
Okay.
nice
Thank
day.
you very much. Okay.